In the beginning, before words, there was sound. A pure tone vibrated with meaning. Veritas, the sound of truth. Every soul has a voice print, a sacred resonance unique as stars. Covered by survival noise, it hums, waiting for you to remember. Auralis found hers. She didn't speak to be heard, she sang to be known. With her voice print, the world changed through resonance, not power. Others awakened, shifting the air. No speeches, just people recalling their true selves. Singing truth into the world. This isn't myth, it's your memory. Your voice is unique to the universe. Find it, speak it, sing it. Let the world feel the sound of truth.